In this video, we'll show you how to fix the cannot install this update error on Windows 11. As you can see, this update failed to install. The first method is to create a new text document on your desktop. Open the newly created text file and enter this code snippet. This prepares the system for cleanup by stopping services that might be using update files. Then, it renames the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders. These folders store temporary update data. Renaming them forces Windows to create new ones. Next, it re-registers important system libraries for Windows components. It also resets WinSock and proxy settings to fix network problems. And it cleans up unused plug-and-play drivers, removing old or hidden devices. After that, it uses DISM to scan and repair the Windows image and system files. It also cleans up old or outdated updates and components. Then, it runs the system file checker. This tool checks for and fixes corrupted system files. Finally, it restarts the services that were stopped at the beginning, allowing Windows to work normally again. Once you're done, save the text file as a batch script. When saving, change the save as type to all files and give it a name ending with .bat. Then, run the script as an administrator. Type Y and hit Enter to continue. This process might take about an hour, so please be patient. Restart your PC when it's finished. As you can see, the error is gone and the update has been installed successfully. If it still doesn't work, we recommend running the script again and restarting your computer. This update allows we to enable Show Time in Notification Center. So, let's go to the time and date settings to see if it works. If the first method doesn't help, you can try this second one by download and install the update manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Please download the correct one for your OS. You need to install the small update package before install the main update. If you encounter this error, it indicates that the update is already installed. You can proceed with installing the main update now. As you can see, the update has been installed without any issues. The last method will fix all Windows Update issues by repairing your Windows system. In the Windows Update option, select the Advanced options. Then select Recovery. Click Reinstall now to fix problems using Windows Update. Don't worry, your installed apps, files, and settings will be kept. As you can see, a repaired version of Windows will be downloaded and installed automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.